Hi, there is a silent but deadly force that crept into the fabric of our society. A force that has undermined the foundations of trust and has dissolved the glue that held families together. This deadly force is the potent and destructive power of rumors. Most families find themselves divided today not by facts but by rumors. Many relationships have crumbled not because of conclusive evidence but because of rumors. Even communities are torn asunder not by the truth but by the divisive power of rumors. But let's ask ourselves, what is it that empowers these rumors? Is it their indecent content, the speed of their transmission, or the readiness of an audience eager to consume them? While these factors play their part, I want to submit to you that the true power of rumors lies in our reluctance to seek the truth, in our hesitation to ask the hard questions, and in our failure to confront the source. By not verifying, by not engaging in open communication, we grant rumors an unending strength. We permit the shadows of doubt to eclipse the light of understanding. We allow whispers in the dark to drown out the voice of reasoning. Our silence becomes the fertile ground in which these seeds of deception take roots and flourish. So how do we combat this? The antidote to the poison of rumors is simple, yet it requires courage. It is the resolve to seek the truth. The moment we hear a claim that bears the weight to alter perceptions and destroy connections, we must pause and remind ourselves of our responsibility to verify before we trust, to understand before we judge. Let us commit to direct confrontation, not in hostility, but in the pursuit of clarity. Let us approach those implicated with sincerity and ask, is it true? Let us prioritize dialogue over the idle talk, probing inquiry over passive acceptance. To those who have felt the sting of rumors, I say it is not too late. Rebuild the bridges that have been burned, not with assumptions, but with truth. It is through such restoration that we can only repair the damages done, but also inoculate our relationships against the future damage of rumors. I wish to urge each and every one of you to become an ambassador for truth in your spheres of influence. Do not become a conduit for rumors. Be a barrier to their spread. Step forward with courage to dismantle these unverified tales, not with silence, but with the fortitude of truth, seeking and the strength of open communication. Always remember, truth is the greatest religion.